Here is the modification to my shave horse, and I made a change so that I can disassemble it and fold it up flat, so now it can be hung up against the wall. Here's a field change to my portable sawhorse, and let me show you what I did different. I removed the anvil. You can see holes drilled. This now can be placed in different positions, and it can also be removed. And the vise, same thing here. I drilled more holes so that I can adjust the gap that's between the vise and the anvil. Also, this can be removed. And now I can fold this up. Here are the individual units or pieces to my portable sawhorse. Right there. This is the old anvil, and we removed this and we replaced it with this newer one. And if you look close where it's sitting now, I drilled a hole just to be able to mount this in that location for storage. In its usable area, which is where these holes are drilled, the forward leg folds into the horizontal support, and that would not allow that leg to go up into there. So just by moving it back and putting one bolt in there, that puts it out of the way for its storage. So in the dimensions of this is made with a 2x6 or a couple 2x6s, and the height is still the same as the one that was replaced. So we're talking about 6 inches up, 5.5 to 6 inches up at the highest point. And this angle here is the same. We measured that at 15 degrees. Here I'm going to determine the angle of this cut. So turn it on and we zero it out. 0. And then we set it up here. And it looks like that was cut at a 15-degree angle. And by extending this down with the 2x6s, it gives a little more support. So that's the improved. Also, there's no cutaway in here. That's not needed anymore. So this worked out really well. This is a much needed improvement to the folding sawhorse that I had made. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.